ik ben Leontine en het wordt nog korter.
Leontine is also coming from the challenge, so she comes for ultra short hair and a nice new color. So starting on her, and she starts herself.
Dus ik zeg, ik zie de Ruud. Ik ga nooit meer naar buiten. Ruud, snap ik.
In the meantime, you hear the other models of the challenge talking. Start with putting on protection. You see this girl is gonna be yellow. In the film you see most people do this without protection on the clothing, but I don't like that, so I'm a hairdresser. But she may start herself, so I put the clipper comb on the clipper and she may start herself. Okay, put the blade on, put the clipper on.
Daar gaat hij.
Okay, I'm gonna do the rest.
Dat is niks af. Hij doet het niet.
Ja, ik vind het echt wel. Always watch at the hairfall. Keep the blades in between. I think this is enough with the clipper protection blade and the comb on it. So, get to my comb. Put my clipper in the sharpest position. Travel over the lines. Give it a nice running. Go in the opposite lines of the hairfall. Put my blade to the back. Put it in the common position. Leaning on the skin. Again in the sharpest position. Turner, so you can see where we're going. It's always very interesting to see how the hair falls and flows, because the crowns are really wonderful to follow. Voelt wel lekker luchtig, of niet?
Ja, lekker ja.
Even om het Zo'n regenboog. Zo'n een optie tegen.
Wat?
Een regenboog.
Een regenboog. Dat kan. Dat is een hoop werk. Put my blade to the back again. Softly go up. Just combing. So don't take other position of the clipper. I want to get into the line of cutting. And I don't lean too hard on the skin, because otherwise she gets irritation on the skin. Especially when I'm going to light up the hairs. Put it in the sharpest position. Clean the contour line. Travel around the corner. The upper hair will certainly do with a scissor of comb technique. And for me it's not hard to do with two hands because I'm left and right-handed. So my left hand is also like the right hand. Turnen.
Die veel of niet? Ja, die best veel, hè?
Ja, ik probeer altijd een beetje vooruit te werken. Maar ik vind het wel leuk, ik heb nu een heel serietje rood haar gedaan met boblijntjes en zo. En rode kleuren. En dan krijg ik dan de blonde kleuren. En heel kort. Go over the roundness once more in the opposite lines. Clean this up and now I'm going to work scissor over comb. Face lines. Then wetting the hair a bit. Take the fine part of my comb, go in, and over the back of my comb, I gently go to the back.
Nou, kun je zien dat je er knipt, ja?
Wat?
Wat is nog knip? Over de longens, maar...
Nee, ik ben wel echt aan het knippen hoor. Kijk maar, klopt. They're joking around here. If I do any cutting right now, but I'm certainly do because the hair stay on my scissor. Don't need to take off much because I took off a lot. Clean the contour line with my small clipper. Now I know from her that she has sensitive skin, so I need to put extra protection into my bleach if I want to get this color light. I'll certainly put a conditioner into it extra to keep all the moist on the skin and on the hairs. So far the cut, some makeup bleach. Lekker fris hè?
Ja.
Putting on protection for coloring, towel, plastic foil. set it aside with a clip. Make your soft bleach not too hard. 6% is 20 volume. Put extra conditioner in. So I get a very smoothie product. And because I know she has a sensitive skin, I don't gonna cover this up. I leave it the way it is and see how light it will be. When you do bleaching with short hair, you must be certain that you wear glasses, because the bleach is throwing away by the hairs, the short hairs. So when you get it into your eyes, you have to wash your eyes for a long time to get it out of there. So then you have to stop the process, and that you don't want. So protect your eyes when you do short hair bleaching. So in her case, I will certainly watch how far the bleach will go. And because I don't put the plastic on it, I put a lot of bleach over the hairs so it doesn't dry up. But with the conditioner it's very hard to dry up because it's smooth. To get this color as a color, there's a shampoo for it, so it's not a problem. We'll be back, don't go away. Put a little bit of Leontine oil on her hair. Take also the contour with it, because then I nurse the skin. Blow dry this.
Ruikt wel lekker die olie.
Ja, die is echt fijn. So far blow drying. Now take off the protection. I'll thank her for being my model in the channels. I thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video, and she will turn around to show you the end result. Bye bye. Hier. Hartstikke leuk. Dankjewel.
Ik ben Leontine en het wordt nog korter.
Leontine is also coming from the challenge, so she comes for ultra short hair and a nice new color. So starting on her, and she starts herself.
Daar gaat ie.
Okay, I will do the rest. After 35 minutes we rinse it out. I don't need to do much, of course, so the only thing I'm going to use now is a bit crystal turn, and that's in combination with a beautiful Leontine oil, as it nurses the hair and the skin. It smells really nice.